Hey guys, Bishmii back again with another video. You know the vibes. This is happening right after the Miami vlog. If you missed it, make sure you go and watch that.
The fucking the one
You all up in the vlog?
OD. Ours is pretty like plain. It's nothing special.
Mickey Mouse.
But yo, you gotta see the Star Wars one, bro. Hold up. The Star Wars one is crazy. This was dope.
What's this one?
Yo. Yes, sir. Yes,
what
sir.
up?
What up? Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
My crazy hair.
Universal Day. Day one.
No, she said it's more like Disney anyway.
What do you mean? I thought it was Disney themed, man. Good morning.
Yo.
Yo.
We main screening the vlog again?
Of course.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just made it to Universal. We had an amazing breakfast made by Ashley and Mac. Gonna go see what's going on. Hopefully get on a few rides. It's very like humid and cloudy today. Got like a wind advisory, so I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to get on the rides that we want to, but hopefully we do. Yeah.
I really like this.
It's really cute.
Oh, you feel that sun? I feel it. Alright, so first ride down, got the ponchos on because it was raining, but did the Dr. Doom ride at Universal Studios. How did you like the Dr. Doom?
It was good.
Dr. Doom.
You rich? Yeah.
Alright, so we just finished the Spider-Man ride. Amazing ride. Definitely recommend. 10 out of 10, maybe 9.5 out of 10. A little bit too wet for me. I don't know. Max said he liked getting squirted on. The River Adventure. Hello.
I'm not ready.
Harry Potter store, though. Danger of the book may bite. All right, what are we doing?
I don't know. I gotta find where the magic is.
All right, so we at Universal Studios. Just got something to eat. So I ordered a spicy chicken gyro, right? Why does this look like chicken tenders in pita bread? Right, that's the first red flag. That's red flag number one, right? And Mac, I hear they got some tzatziki sauce for us. So,
Yeah, they put the tzatziki on my gyro,
right?
and then we got the tzatziki for the pita dips, right?
Yeah.
We got the I like to call it sour cream on
Oh.
the DQ special.
So yeah, Flame Eaters Grill, Universal Studios, Orlando. They going crazy right now. I ain't even gonna hold you. Sadly, the park closes at 8 on Thursdays, so we're headed to the exit, going to a spot we didn't been through. So we got Dr. Seuss's spot right now. Just looking around as we exit the park. All right, so we're leaving Orlando Studios right now. Sadly, we weren't able to go and take the Hogwarts train. That's what we wanted to do. Naya got herself her candy apple. They're doing like a freight thing right now, closing the Hollywood studios earlier, so kind of messed up with the plans, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. We're gonna go to Disney. Mac, how do you like Universal Studios?
I would never go back.
You're a murderer.
You need a cup? Come on.
What spell is that?
Yo, chill, bro. Yo, take your pick, man.
What?
Old Spring Lane.
It's a mystery. Oh, you guys want mystery boxes?
I got a mystery box.
Cool. Turn on the first bag.
Fucking first time. What popsicle?
Nice.
Mystery box.
And a hollow energy in that one.
You and Ashley can figure that out.
Oh, hey. Tell them about the parks.
Brilliant stars, false orange.
We have to switch up the whole plan tomorrow.
It's upside down. Let's go. Is that the Zapdos, Matt?
No, that's Orlando Day 3. We're going to Magic Kingdom, also Epcot. Gonna see the fireworks. Are you excited to have Mickey Mouse?
I'm gonna punch Mickey Mouse in the face.
Oh my God!
I mean, I'm gonna give him a high five.
A high five,
Right?
yes,
Yes.
yeah. Captain. We are on the ferry going to Magic Kingdom. Got Ashley in the spot, got Naya in the spot. All aboard the choo-choo train, all aboard the choo-choo train, all aboard the choo-choo train, all aboard, all aboard. Are you feeling the magic?
All up in my butt.
Oh!
Send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want.
Yo, don't spit on me, bro. Yo, my boy, I know you hot right now. Come on, son. The sun is baking. I know you hot, my boy. We're at the Disney ice cream parlor. My mom actually wanted a kitchen sink. It's a secret menu item, I'm pretty sure. So we're gonna see how it looks like and if we can finish it. All right, I'm not gonna hold you. This cookies and cream from the sink, one of the best ice creams I've ever had. And I don't even like ice cream like that. So I'm really busting down on this. Me and Kiwee, we loving it. Damn, bruh. Yo, chill. Hey, yo! Just got off the train at Epcot. Gonna head and do the around the world. All right, step one. So we got here, stopped off at Australia, had a lamb chop. That thing was delicious. Now we just left Canada, had a beer, which is audio visual. I don't know what is audio or visual about it. Karen, did you get the lager from Canada?
I did, but it was called audio visual. I don't know what that means. It means what?
Your audio and visuals might be working.
We just did France, headed to Morocco right now, taking a pit stop in Belgium.
Start recording me because I was about to say
Oui, oui.
wee wee.
Tzatziki check. We at Morocco. Gotta check out the tzatziki sauce. See if it's real. This is the gyro.
Yo, bro, look. We got Boruto from Naruto.
And
And they've got Nami from One Piece, bro. What? Yo.
Oh, there's another one.
Right now we are in Germany. Got about 30 minutes to go into the fireworks show in Germany. Got the grapefruit Schaffenheimer. Made it to Norway. Almost fireworks show time. Got one more after this, which is Mexico. So yeah, we got Mac in the spot. We are here enjoying the amazing fireworks show for Disney's 100 at Epcot. We were able to do every single country from Mexico to Canada. Last day in Florida, chilling by the pool. Max pool party in full effect. We outside.
Yes, sir.
Pow! Yeah.
they're eating like some nut shit on the floor, and it keeps like popping out of their beak.
Here.
Why does he look so far away still?
Disney Springs. Oh, Pinocchio. So that is going to be the Orlando vlog. Max pool party. Had a great time with Kiwee, girls, and Mac. Leave a like if you enjoyed. See you guys in the next one. Peace.